Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching vrvlogs. So today is the second day, actually the continuation of yesterday's vlog. So today is a great plan. I'm very excited today because this is the first time I'm going to that place. We are heading from Pune to Mahabaleshwar today. It would be a short ride, very short ride, but the exploring of Mahabaleshwar is would be very great, it seems. I'll see you in the action camera mode. Definitely don't miss any part, don't skip any part. That's how good it will be. I'll definitely make sure that this video will be too good. Ready, Rasa? Okay, so we are just starting from Pune to Mahabaleshwar. Muttam black on black no. So we are just going on 3 bikes: R15S, R15 V3 and Apache RTR 204V. Okay. Chalo, my Vayu baby is entering into this tunnel for the first time in Pune. I mean, my Vayu came to Pune for the first time. I can remember my Chikmagalur fields. Clouds are gone. Actually, there was some very good cloud cover here. This tunnel name is New Cartraj Tunnel. Oh, it is 1458 meters long. Great. Oh my god, I'm experiencing a tunnel for the first time in my life ever. Wow, man. Superb. Experiencing a tunnel for the first time ever, guys. How can a GoPro can judge this place, yaar? Such a beauty, man. Idena? Oh, we reached the location. This is Harrison Food Park, I guess. Yeah, I think we have to go by here, from here. Kada kinda. Two-wheeler 20 rupees. Let's go, let's go. are going on. Jagrata sir, Jagrata. Excellent right locations. How are the cinematic shots? Nice, excellent. There are small villages. I think we came over from there, right? Maybe. Yeah.
We came completely different route.
Okay, this is some another route. See, there is a lake over there. Excellent. And there is a valley, small town kind of thing over there. Yeah, we can go. Hello guys, we have just entered Mahabaleshwar. It is very cool. You can't even imagine that cool it is. And I got little trouble with my bike. I'm getting my chain sound, lot of chain sound I'm getting. Oh, look at that sky cloud. Excellent. Chala cool undi. Okay, we are 13 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar. They want to have something, I guess. Yeah, we are stopping at Hotel New Sayadri. We'll have some lunch and then we'll continue our trip to Mahabaleshwar. Okay. We just stopped here for small lunch break. Lunch anachu. This is Chiru and Pawan Gajaveli. Just ordered some food. We are just waiting for them.
చూసినావు ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో అప్పుడేమో ఏమనిపించదు ఇంటదని ఎట్లా మీరు డౌన్ నుంచి ఇట్లా పైకి పోయింది.
These guys are doing some editing.
See, actually we are editing our pics too.
I just edited my pic. I'll upload it in Instagram. It is definitely superb. Like when I took the pic, it is like 50%. After editing, it became 100%. Like another level. I use Adobe Premium actually. And also, it is really cold here. And it is time is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Do you believe it? Time is literally 3 o'clock. Intensity is getting more and more suddenly. Look at that. The thickness is increasing. Yeah, vampire. You know, in high altitudes you will not get oxygen, right? So you have to get something. This is oxygen mask. It costs around 20,000 rupees. It gets pure oxygen inside you. Okay, see from these holes.
Also get a Parle-G biscuit.
That's cheda kodutuna. Linga Magrah. I don't even know what did I just spell. It's just near the Mahabaleshwar. So we thought, why don't we just go and visit that place also? Worth it hai kya? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Yes. Ella Umari.
Just go down and take a left.
Okay.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay. Aithe ella sodam. Thank you. I just forgot my bike keys and came till here, exactly this point. I had to climb again 100 steps like that. And I went and see that my bike keys are not with my bike. The actually security guy took it and keep it with him, and he's telling that no need to worry, we have all the security cams, we are good guys, like that. So I was impressed. Yeah, some good people also there. I thought something might happen. Yeah, he was telling that no need to worry, you can leave it with us. And he's telling that don't throw it somewhere near the waterfall. You will never ever find it. All the details of the waterfall. It is Lingamala waterfall, mini waterfall and pool formed by Venna river. Oh, this is Venna river. Nice. Okay, I have to carry my mobile and also to cross. Is it possible? Yes, anything is possible to Vishnu Reddy. Hope I don't fall. my god. Oh. Yes. 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 How to go there? Oh. Okay. 3, 2, 1 for the view. I really love it, guys. Look at our helmets. Rain, heavy rain, guys. So हम जहाँ पे water falls पे था ना, so from there it continuously rained that I have to take my GoPro and put it inside my top box. And just we came to Krishna temple, which is an open temple, it seems. We are in Mahabaleshwar now. So there are two temples. One is inside the temple. This is outdoor temple. Okay, I'll just show you the location. See, very wet. By the way, can you see? These are another shoes in the same day. Actually, na, the shoes which I bought, those were effed up. The sole has been completely torn down. So I have to take these 200 rupees wala shoes. But these are much better than that, you know. But only thing is, this is giving you acupuncture. Like if you step in the stones, it is getting inside. Just a rubber, some kind of process. Oh my god. Is this a temple? Are you Mungi bhai? It's a temple. Excellent. Oh my god. What is this full white? We are in Mahabaleshwar finally, guys. And this is a Mahabaleshwar Krishna temple. Krishna? Oh, I'm not sure. But I'm slipping. These shoes are very slippery. Oh. How did these guys go from here? How to go, yaar? It's really hard. Is it? I will show you some cinematic shots of it. But look at this. Nice photo sessions going on. I was just walking and I just came straight from there to here, very far. I don't know what is this. I think these used to be Mahabaleshwar, right? They used to be homas, like a huge fire thing. I don't know if there will be any snakes on it. Hopefully there should not be any. It is too dangerous. Oh my god. Something falls on me, I'm literally gonna get heart attack. Seriously. Look at the tree. Monthly once, or at least once for every 3 months, we definitely have to do some, at least a trip, because our life, it is very short. I guess it is very short. That's what I think. We have to see, we were born in India, so we have to explore every part of India. So for that you have to just start doing it early in your life. For that you also have to you also have to get supportive parents too. You have to go safer and come safer. I'm really enjoying. I cannot express it, the way how it feels, right? It's too good. It doesn't have any expression. We cannot name it something. That excellent, marvelous, amazing. Those words are really less, very small. That's how it is. Now you can see that everything is covered by sky. I mean cloud, but it is very deep, very deep. I will just show you how deep it is. Just a second. This watch. Okay, yeah. See here, it is showing 4,366 feet above the sea level. That's how high we are. And Hyderabad is 400, just 400 feet. And we are above 4,600 feet, dude. That's how you can touch the sky, just like that. So yeah, this is the Mahabaleshwar. So I'm ending the vlog here. That's it for today. Pune to Mahabaleshwar. See you in the next vlog. If you have enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe to Visionary Vlogs.
Please do comment, okay?
Yeah,
We are
comment.
watching you.
Tell me how do you enjoy it? Just leave a small comment.